Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you are fine and good and doing well. Guys, this collection is related to Christmas decoration ideas. Hope you like my video and hope you love my video because designs are most stunning, most beautiful and most demandable designs. Fireplace of Christmas decoration ideas, how to decorate your home, how to decorate your inside and how to decorate your outside. Each and every video are uploaded on my YouTube channel, so guys visit my YouTube channel. Beautiful collection, how to decorate your table and how to decorate your shelves. Amazing designs of creative designs with beautiful colors, with beautiful shades. Guys, no repeated design and no old design, so watch video till the end. So guys, this collection is very useful for you and helpful for you, and outstanding designs with rich collections. Most demandable designs and beautiful collection are available on my YouTube channel. So guys, thank you so much to watch videos, to like videos and to share videos. Don't skip the video and don't stop my videos. Like videos and share videos. Take care.